Okay guys, so we continue walking in Universal Studios. So that's the cross show. And this one is Sesame Street with Spaghetti Space Case. Alright. Oh, this is what? The Brown Derby hat and accessories. Oh, this is Sesame Street, guys. Cute. Panties. Oh, that's like parade, right? Parade. Parade, the music. Okay guys, let's continue. This is Lights Camera Action. Then Gardner Bakery, Big Birds Emporium, News Agency, We Want Cookie, Breakfast Lunch. Oh, there's some show over there. Alright guys. So this is Transformer, the right room. Wow. What? Oh, take a picture? Alright. Okay guys, okay. There's a roller coaster guys, look.